Here's Raven. There's Moose. We're in the U.S. We're in Vermont. Where are you guys watching from? Say hi, Raven. Good girl. There she goes. Hey, Moose. Australia, nice. Cool. How's the weather there? We had snow on the ground yesterday, but it all melted. Hey, Raven, what are you doing? Little puppies. Hey, careful, Moose. You fall off the porch. What are you doing, buddy? Say hi, buddy. Here comes Raven. Oh, they're gonna chase each other. Yeah, they're saying, let me after her, let me after him. What are you saying, Moose? I can tell by their body language. That's important with big dogs like these guys. You have to read their body language. Right, Raven? Here she goes. Oh, you gonna sit? Good girl. I'll come down with you. You're a good girl. What's up, Moose? What do you think, Raven? Hey, Donine. Thanks for joining us. Yeah, thanks for the like. Hey, your harness is all crooked. Moose has been tugging on it. They're playing. How's everybody doing today? No snow left. It all melted. What do you think, Moose? You sniffing?